Hi guys, today is another lovely day and I would love to talk on short beautiful hairstyles for beautiful black women. As we can all see, this woman is rocking her tapered hawk afro, so short and nicely cut. See how well and perfect we sit on her face, giving her a very bold and confident look, with a smile of radiating confidence. Sometimes in this world of chaotic activities, all we need is a restyle and a reshape. Irrespective of your age bracket, either you are 80s, 70s, or 60s, style knows no age. You need to restyle. The glow up doesn't stop at 50s, neither does it stop at 70s, nor 80s. You are not getting older, you are just getting classic. Sometimes you need a very nice, short, beautiful hairstyle that takes off some years of your age. Looking at this beautiful black woman, look how this nicely well cut short hairstyle takes a whole lot of age, or should I say years, from her age, making her look young and youthful. If you are an existing or returning subscriber, I want to say a big thank you for always choosing us, and I also want to appreciate you for always engaging with us. And if you are a new subscriber, I say a very big welcome to you all. I would like you to click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also I would like you to click on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post a new video.